Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So you might have noticed that from past couple of months we have made two videos of LED headlights, installation of LED headlights into your cars or bikes. So why we have made these videos is because LED headlights are trending these days, and most of the manufacturers are now giving OEM as LED headlights. Also, the people who are not having LED headlights into their cars or their bikes want to upgrade to LEDs because there are three benefits to it. That first of all, I cannot resist to say that they are actually looking cool, very cool in the cars and the bikes. Secondly, the illumination and the spread that you get from LED headlights are comparatively higher than the traditional halogen lamps. And last but not the least, the power consumption of LED headlights are slightly on a lower side than the halogen lamps, plus the life hours of the LED headlight is more than the halogen lamps. So this video is going to be about a very specific headlight, the M2 from BraveWay. So BraveWay is a brand that has speciality into manufacturing LED headlights only. So you can go to the description below and check out their store on AliExpress. So they have a huge variety of LED headlamps. They cover all the cars and all the types of LEDs that are usually used in the cars or bikes. So you can go ahead right now and check it out. Now this M2 headlamp is a bit special because let me just unbox it first and then we can talk ahead about it. So now this is a very small box which says much smaller and brighter for the LED headlamp. So this is, I guess, the tagline of BraveWay M2 LED bulbs. So you get a pair of gloves for installation of the headlamps. You get an instruction manual how you have to install it, and inside the box are two very neatly designed LED headlamps. So I'll just keep it aside and we'll talk about the LED headlamps only. So the light intensity of the pair is 16,000 lumen and it just consumes 110 watts. Then both the lamps have a range of 9 volt to 32 volt. That means it can easily work with a 12 volt source or a 24 volt source. Plus, if your headlamps are powered by alternators, then also you won't see dimming of light when you are on idling. Now coming to the detailings that BraveWay has taken care of. So I have halogen bulb on my right and the LED bulb on my left, and as you can see both the lamps are almost of the similar size. Secondly, so if you can see in the halogen lamp there is a semi-reflective cup for low beam, and the same kind of thing has been done in the LED as well. So there is a cup that has been created for low beam and then there is the high beam. So the LED headlamp almost resembles the traditional halogen headlamp. Now how this resemblance helps is because your normal traditional reflectors that you have in the cars or the bikes are designed as per the halogen bulb, and if you put an LED headlight that is not resembling same as the halogen bulb, your light might be distorted. But this is not the case with this LED headlamp because this is actually resembling the complete halogen bulb. It works absolutely fine in your normal reflectors. Plus the width of the LED headlight is just 0.13 inches. So it is as thin as possible and is 300% brighter. So talking about the small details, BraveWay has also given you an option to adjust the LED headlamps as per your reflector so that you can get the best concentration at the center of the road on low beams. So you can clip this plate in and then you can adjust the whole LED headlamp for a better concentration on road. And on the back side you get a very small fan, but then don't go on its size because it can run at a speed of 12,000 RPM to cool this LED down. So this was all from the theoretical sheet of this LED light. One thing I have not told you is that this is aviation aluminum that has been used, so it can easily cool down the whole LED headlight when the fan is running at maximum RPM. Now let's hit the field and see how this LED actually performs in front of its halogen competition. So on the top that you see is the halogen headlamp and lower side is the LED headlamp. Both are 110 watt pair. So the critical 2 points that I can make out is that in the low beam you get a wide spread using your LED headlamp, whereas your traditional halogen headlamps are just concentrated on the center, and in the high beam you get a longer coverage than what you get in a halogen headlamp. And I guess that is why we use LED headlights over halogen headlights, for better focus and spread. So this is it from our end for this M2 LED headlights by BraveWay. You can go down to the description and check out the wide range offered by BraveWay for your vehicles and get the best deal for you. I hope you upgrade your vehicle's traditional halogen headlamps into a cooler and brighter LED headlamp. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, drive safe and ride safe. Bye.